Hi, this is Ashley at the Walnut Ridge Parts Department in Newcastle. Today I would like to talk about something very important for your camper, especially this time of year. We've been having a lot of weather, a lot of storms, and especially if you're plugged into a campsite, you definitely need one of these guys. First thing to remember, if your camper is a 50 amp, you stick with the 50 amp. Same as the 30. Get a lot of questions on how it could affect plugging into your camper. So if you are a 30 amp service, you can plug into this guy. This will go into your pedestal and it is still safe to use your surge protector. It will protect you. The main thing to realize, if you don't have something like this protecting you, this is going to be the first to go. And this is your converter. Converter can cost upwards of $400. So I know the price of these surge protectors are bad, but man, they end up saving you money. So these two that I'm talking about today, they are full protection. They do high and low voltage. They are designed to take multiple hits, and they will reset themselves if you're away from your camper, like on a hike or in town, and you don't have to worry about your refrigerator. These guys will detect the power is okay to come back on, and it will allow it to come back on. So protect your investment and get one of these.